Hello friends, so this is another parcel just came today from I ordered from Flipkart. So let's see what's inside. This is books, 3 books combo. সস্তায় পাওয়া ছিল, নিয়ে নিয়েছি। তো let's see, 4 book actually, not the 3 books. It is 4 books combo. Let's see what inside. Combo of 4 books. That is Secret Rhonda Byrne, Emotional Intelligence, Daniel Goleman, and Atomic Habit by James Clear. And the last one is my favorite, Psychology of Money by Morgan Housel. So that's it. Quality of pages is average. This is bad. Atomic Habit, the pages of Atomic Habit book is bad, and also the Emotional Intelligence pages of Emotional Intelligence is bad, very bad. This is good. তো এখানে দুটো বইয়ের পেজ কোয়ালিটি ভালো, দুটো বইয়ের পেজ কোয়ালিটি একদম বাজে। দ্যাটস ইট, থ্যাংক ইউ।